I was just sent this stair stepper. As you can see, easy to store. It folds right up. So you can actually put this wherever you want to have it, and then it just comes out. All you've got to do is just attach these in, and then it holds it right in place, and you are ready to start your stair stepping exercise. Now this has a nice screen on here that actually tells you your, like, how many stairs, your time that you've been going, your calories. It'll all count it as you go, and you can put your phone on there. So if you wanted to listen to music or play games, whatever, you have that all on here. You do have 3 levels of intensity. Right here, all you've got to do is just lift this little cable up and then hook it on whatever level of intensity you want it on. I'm just going to keep it on this first one, and then it will be ready to go. You have a nice non-slip grips on all of these, so it'll fit your shoe really well. And you have these handles here at the top that are really versatile as well, because you can actually undo it right here and then just swivel them whichever way you want to have them. If you want to have it in, or if you prefer to have them out, all of that can be adjusted as well. So then whenever you're ready to use this, you just simply step up and start your stair stepping. I mean, this is fantastic. It'll work so many different muscles, and it'll be great if you're going to use it in an apartment, even, I mean, big rooms, whatever you're wanting to have it. It's a nice little stair stepper. I love how it counts everything. I mean, I can feel it working in my quads, and I've just got started. So this is fantastic. Like I said, whenever you're done, roll it up, put it away, and you have it for next time. It's a great little stair stepper to have for all sorts of exercises.